In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your images using Canva's Magic Studio feature in just a few easy steps. First things first, let's get started by opening Canva. Once you've got it open, navigate to the Uploads section. This can usually be found on the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you'll want to drag and drop the image you wish to work on. This step is important as it sets the foundation for the entire editing process. After your image is successfully uploaded into Canva, you'll need to adjust its size to fit your design preferences. You can do this by clicking on the image. You'll notice handles appear on the edges. Simply click and drag these handles until you've reached the desired size. Keep in mind that resizing might slightly influence the resolution, so make sure to find a balance that maintains image quality. Now that your image is properly sized, it's time to delve into the editing section. Find the Edit option and click on it. You'll be led into Canva's editing environment where a host of tools are at your disposal. Within this menu, look for Magic Studio, a fantastic feature that enhances your editing capabilities. Under Magic Studio, locate the Magic Grab tool. This tool allows you to select specific parts of your image that you want to tweak. Click on the parts of the image you wish to edit. This could be anything from changing a specific color to enhancing a particular section. The Magic Grab tool is intuitive, but take your time to ensure you select exactly what you want to modify. Once you've made your selections, go ahead and click Grab. This initiates the process of isolating those areas you've selected for further editing. It's worth noting that sometimes the Magic Grab process can take a little longer, especially depending on the complexity of the image or the number of selections you've made. If it seems it's taking a while, don't worry. Simply exercise a bit of patience and let the tool do its magic. With the right parts selected, return to the Edit menu and choose Adjust. This area provides sliders that allow you to finely tune various aspects of your image. As you scroll down through the options, you'll find color adjustment settings. It's here that you can select your preferred color adjustments, whether you're looking to enhance tones, switch hues, or simply brighten up certain elements. Play around with these settings until you're satisfied with the overall look and feel of your image. And there you have it. Using Canva's Magic Studio to refine and personalize your image can truly elevate any design you're working on. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep exploring all the options Canva has to offer to bring your creative vision to life. Happy designing!